Hi everyone. Good morning all. Welcome to Cook with Chef Chinese YouTube channel. Last week I told you how to make a delicious pizza, but today I'm going to tell you how to make a delicious cup of tea. Let's see what we need. We need materials, ingredients. We need a kettle, a sauce, and a spoon, and a cup, and a tea bag, and milk, and water, and sugar. I will tell you how to make a cup of tea step by step. First step, we need a kettle. Fill the kettle with nice and cold water and switch on the kettle and wait till it boils. It might take a while, but that is not a problem for me. And the second step, we need a tea bag. Place the tea bag in the cup and pour some hot water. That's enough water. And pour some milk. If you want, you can add some sugar. And stir. And finally, we taste it. How is it? It's delicious. And thanks for watching my YouTube channel. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up and hit that notification bell to show your support for me. And next week I will tell you how to make delicious cupcakes. Bye bye. See you again soon. Hi guys. First, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am making a cup of tea. We want some ingredients. They are rum, boiled water, and sugar, milk, tea bag, spoon, cup. First, pour some water, 2 cups. Nice tea.
Hello, welcome to my TV program. Today I will show you how to make a tea. First, I will show you what the ingredients: water, tea leaves, sugar, milk, cup and sauce, a spoon and teaspoon. First, pour the water into the kettle and then boil. After that, put some tea leaves into the kettle. Then add sugar, add milk into the cup. Then mix. Then take the tea strainer and strain the tea into the cup. Then mix well and enjoy with your tea. Thanks for watching.
Welcome to all my TV program. Today I will teach you how to make cup of tea in fifth step. Need to material make cup of tea. Tea cup, tea spoon, tea bag, sugar and milk. First step, put in the tea bag in the cup. Second step, pour in the hot water. Fourth step, take out tea bag. Fifth step, and sugar and milk. If wanted finally I will drink. Thank you for watching my TV program. See you next week. I think sugar and milk. Fill vessel with water. What? Get out. Oil the kettle. Put the tea bag. Power in the hot water. Stir with the tea bag. Stir with the tea bag. Stir with the tea bag. Take out the tea bag. Take out the tea bag. Add in milk and sugar if you want it. If you want it. If you want it. Enjoy and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.
Well done. Please have a big clap to the Aken. Nice and cute boy. Very well. You have presented it. You have presented your video. Very nice. Right. Did you taste it? Aken. Aken. Did you taste it? Did you taste it? Taste it? Taste it?
Yes, sir.
Ah, okay. What about the is it tasty? Is it tasty?
Nice state.
Ah, good boy. Really awesome work from the Aken. I'm really happy. I'm really happy because you have improved my kit. You have already improved. I am so happy about that. Really, well done. Good luck. Who's the next one? Who will be the next one?
Devram.
Devram, right. Good, great boy, Devram. Well, this is the Devram for making a copper tea.
Hello, welcome to my TV program. Today I will show you how to make a tea. First I will show you what the ingredients. Sugar, milk, teaspoon, cup and sauce, tea leaves, water, put some tea leaves into the cup. And mix. And take the teaspoon and strain the tea into the cup. Mix well and enjoy with your tea. Thanks for watching.
Right, well done, great done from Devram, my kids. Please have a big clap to the Devram. Really, he has performed it very nicely in a good way. I think you can become a performer, really, Devram. Right, go ahead, my son. Good luck. Right, who will be the next one?
Sir.
Really. Who will be the next one? Who will be the next one? Be hurry up, hurry up. Seniti, can you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is your chance.
Welcome to all my TV program. Today I will teach you how to make cup of tea. In fifth step, need to material make cup of tea. Tea cup, tea spoon, tea bag, sugar and milk. First step. In the tea, put in the tea bag in the cup. Second step. Pour in the hot water. Third step. Stir with tea bag in the cup. Fourth step. Take out tea bag. Fifth step. Add in sugar and milk if wanted. Finally, I drink. Thank you watching my TV program. See you next day with I think you are enjoy. Bye.
Right. Really, it's awesome. Really, you have performed it very nicely.